They hit that fly so hard you can hear it. Boom! Like the whole rod vibrates, you know? The whole thing, it's like your bones shake. It's just such a powerful predatory strike. It's unreal. The amazing thing is, like, look at the holes from where those fangs go up into its face.
Because most
It goes all the way up, so the jaw can shut all the way.
Yeah.
So
Vicious.
vicious. Yeah. No, they just go right in there. Oh, that's what those are for.
Just before that, you
right
see?
before the nose.
You won't sit. You won't sit.
Yeah. Okay.
You
do
see
it again.
this. So.
Yeah, okay. Oh man, that's wild. Wow. I mean, they want maximum penetration. It's amazing.
So
they bite your fly and they do that, and yet still it's hard to get your hook in there.
Yeah.
So is this like all bony in here? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Super bony.
All here is bone.
Oh yeah. The whole thing is just bone. So that's why it's so hard to get your hook in. I mean, you have to get.
And during the nighttime.
Yeah.
Like when it's shining, you'll see like they're moving like this, like open. Their mouth is open already when they are hunting.
Yeah.
Yeah. You won't see them like this. Like,
No. Yeah.
They are like moving like this.
Yeah. Wait, to close it. So it's like nerd, beast mode, nerd, beast mode.
These are hungry mode.
That's the hungry mode for sure.
Yeah, like
100%.
Hunting, you know.
Yeah. They just cruise around looking.
Chill. These are chilling
vicious.
mode. Chilling mode.
You chilling.
Chilling.
Man, that's like, this fish is now officially the stuff of my nightmares.
Vampire.
Vampire fish. Oh, that's incredible. I bit him in the hand like that?
And pass through right across, you know? So like when the fish fight,
Yeah.
you know, it's like more damage is giving you.
Yeah. Was his hand? I mean,
Yeah, real damage, like, you know, like
Yeah.
right across, pass through.
Yeah.
And the small ones, you know, the small ones do the damage, you know, like
Oh yeah, totally. Like these,
Yeah,
like everything.
every jam is up there.
Oh, and then like shaking it.
Shaking, like tearing out the skin.
Oh man. I mean, they call steelhead, you know, the fish of 1,000 casts. These things are like the fish of 1,000 takes. Yeah, they're not ghosts. They really are just. I mean, vampire fish is a pretty good name because they. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's. You just get lucky in the way they hit the fly, whether you're going to get a hook set or not, basically. Yep. Or whether they're going to nick your line or something and break you off. Those razor sharp teeth. Right there. Oh.
Yep.
Oh, so much fun! Oh my god! That's so fun! Oh! Oh! Holy shit! That fucking thing was huge!
That's a big one.
That was a big one! Oh my god! Woo! Oh! 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 Ah! Oh my god, that's so fun! Do it again, go! Oh! Oh! Oh, again! Oh! These fish. They win way more than I do. He hit it like 4 times, but I got you. I got you.
Now, if you notice, this is a different species, right?
No, this is a different one.
Yeah. It's the yellowtail.
Oh, this is a yellowtail Payara.
Yeah. See? The yellowtail, that one was black.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. Oh, I just saw a glimpse of him. He's patrolling. It's a big Payara. He's just patrolling right here. Oh, there he is. There he is every time. Comes up. That was perfect. You can't even tell me I didn't set that right. Challenging, challenging, challenging fish. It's a hook. Not to get him to take, but to hook. There he is, there he is, there he is. That's him, that's him, that's him. It's huge, it's huge, it's huge. That's him. That's him! That's him! Look at him! Woo! Oh! What? Ah! Ah! Oh, did you see it? That thing was huge! It wasn't that big. Shut up. Oh. There he is. There he is. Jules! Yeah, oh fuck is right.
Very close. Touch in there.
Oh. Yes, 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 yes! Yes! Jules, you beautiful bastard! Oh, we got him! Woo! Oh, man! How big is he, you think?
It's about 17, 18 pounds.
Oh! Look at him! Oh! Are we keeping him?
Yeah, we can keep him, yeah.
I'm gonna heat you up, and you are gonna taste like victory.